Guys, welcome back to Techno Fiction. The next unit in Accounts and Contacts for Lightning Experience module is Understand Account and Contact Relationships. This unit is simple, so let's learn the key points alone. So this unit helps you to understand different type of relationship on your accounts and contacts and how to relate a single contact to multiple accounts, the hierarchy among the accounts, and the account team. First, let's get to know the three key account and contact relationships. There are three types of relationship between people and the accounts that we are tracking. Each type of relationship offer a different view into our business. The first one is relationships between companies, that is accounts, and the people who work at them, that is contacts. The relationship between our customers and other customers. The second one is by relating a contact to more than one account, that is called contacts to multiple accounts. So in that we can track relationship between people and the companies they work with, knowing whether a contact has an indirect relationship. The third one is relationship between customers and co-workers who deals with them, that is accounts and other Salesforce users. Next, we look upon contacts to multiple accounts. When we relate a single account to multiple accounts, we can easily track the relationship between people and business without creating duplicate records. The rules are simple. Every contact needs to be directly associated with an account. Any other account associated with the contact represents indirect relationships. That is, in contacts to multiple accounts, we have two types of relationship, that is direct relationship and indirect relationship. The next topic is to define company relationship with account hierarchies. Here Alan and Leung work at GetCloudy corporate office. So in a company we can see several accounts with similar names like the given example, that is GetCloudy East, GetCloudy West, GetCloudy Canada, like that. So we raise a question that how are all these companies related? So when we try to search each single record, it takes a lot of time. If we have recorded the parent account for each account that has one Salesforce can generate a family tree for your account. The hierarchy shows this relationship for the GetCloudy accounts. So this is the account hierarchy. Some of the practices for establishing account hierarchies are global enterprise account and location specific accounts. Next, it defines employee roles with account teams. With account teams, we can enable the appropriate access to different account roles. Each person on an account team can be assigned different roles and different level of access to the account and its opportunities and cases. To make account teams faster to use, we can set up our own personal default account team in our personal settings. Let's move on to a challenge. So here we have quizzes. The first question is, what two type of account contact relationship can you see in contacts to multiple accounts? Option A, positive and negative. Option B, parent and sibling. Option C, happy and unhappy. Option D, direct and indirect. And option E, complete and incomplete. So in contact to multiple account relationship, we see direct and indirect relationships. The second question is, how do you set up the account hierarchy? Option A, ask an administrator to set it up for you. Option B, add a parent account to the account's record. Option C, record the parent account name in a note on the account. Option D, write it on a sticky note and put it on your desk. The answer is option B, add a parent account to the accounts record. The third question is, who should be on your personal default accounting? The options are option A, co-workers from your department who want to know how you achieve all your success. Option B, all the contacts for all your accounts. Option C, co-workers you usually work with on your accounts. And option D, customers who responded positively to the last marketing campaign. And the answer is option C, co-workers you usually work with on your accounts. Let's check it. We have completed this module. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you want to learn more from me, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Share with your friends and comment your thoughts about this video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.